You're watching Hoosierback Outdoors, and we're fixing to see what I got in the mail. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Benjamin, and you're watching Hoosierback Outdoors. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new here, reach down and hit that subscribe button. You'll be glad that you did. Now, let's dig into this and see what I got. I got the Mondo Kit from Carl's Bait and Tackle. If you are a Carl's Club member, which is $49.99 for a year, which in fact, with as many lures as I order from Carl's Bait and Tackle, it will pay for itself in the long run. This box has 5 different items in it. It has 4 lures and the mask for keeping the sun off your neck, off your face, keep from getting wind burnt and stuff like that. It comes with this box. We'll dig in right now and see what's in here. Here is the mask that comes with it. We'll have to get that out and check it out. Also, it comes with the Googan Squad Zinger. This is a white pattern. Very nice spinnerbait. Then it also comes with the juicy casting jig. This here is blue and black. A lot of guys' favorite color is blue and black. That'll work nice with a nice trailer. In fact, there might be something in here that will work good for a trailer. Also, we have the Googan Squad Flat Banger. It is a shallow diving crankbait. This is also in that white pattern. I look forward to using this and trying this one out as soon as possible. Then, to top it off, it comes with the Googan Baits Crack and Crawl. And I believe this is a Alabama crawl color. Very, very nice. I cannot wait to use this. Now let me remind you that if you are a Carl's Club member, this Mondo Kit is $17. Very much lower than if you were to buy each of these separate. I mean, this would all come out to probably $35 to $40. Now, if you are not a Carl's Club member, this is only $25, so you're still saving money even if you're not a Carl's Club member. So that, to me, is a very good deal. I wanted to go over this with you guys when I got it in. I bought some for Christmas for some people in my family, and I also got one for myself. Be on the lookout for more reviews here on Hoosierback Outdoors as the winter moves along and the weather is cold and the ice is forming and it's much more uncomfortable to get outside and fish. We will do more reviews for you. Thanks for coming. We really appreciate it. Until next time, you know what to do. Get out there and enjoy the outdoors. We'll see you later.